In this video we are going to fix a tire from my G37, but this works for any car, so it's the same way you can fix the tire. Let's do it. So this is the hole, and I'm gonna use this part here on my kit and this little rubbery snake here. I don't know how to call that, there's a name for it, but you know, I don't care how this is called, it's just part of the kit. We need to put this through. I'm using gloves, which makes it a little bit harder, but I want to drive my car after, and I don't want my car to get dirty. So cover your eyes, try to take this out. I might need pliers. That was a good one, huh? There you go. Dang, let me get pliers. All right, pliers done. Just gonna make some noise. Oh, not bad. Well, my problem now, this hole is too small, and I need a little part that was here that would make this hole larger, because I need to put this in here, and this will never go that way. So I might need to get a screwdriver and try to drill. I think that's a good compromise, so let me do that. All right, so I got a screwdriver. I'm gonna screw right here. Yeah, see, it's better. I need a little larger than that. You can hear the noise now. Nice. So now what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to squish this thing. This is the bad part. So I'm going to put some air in there. I have a little compressor. I think you can buy a cheaper something to fill up air, because it might help the tire to get a little tighter. So I'm gonna try again. Glue in there. Name is not glue, there's a name for this. Cement, rubber cement. I'm gonna put in there and push. Yes! Yes, that's it. So you need to put a lot of that, and now when you pull it out, I expect that it doesn't come out with it. Yeah, did not. Nice. There you go. So now you cut the excess, and it should be good to go. Look at that. We're just gonna cut this, wait for a minute. This is gonna dry, and it's gonna I don't know the correct word for this. It's like vulcanize or something. I don't know what is happening today. There's a bunch of these white things flying in the air, and man, they're bad. Anyway, that's pretty much it. So now put more air in the tire, and if you get a kit like this, you get a little nice gauge that's gonna tell you how much PSIs you have, and if it's a front tire, 32 is a good number. because you don't want this too full or not too full, right? So you want this in a good, have a good amount of air, so you have a bunch of contact on the floor, on the ground, so you don't slide or anything. It's safe for you in the rain and not in the rain. But this is what I use. I mean, it's not a professional opinion, it's just me, my whole life done that. So, and that's it. So hit that nice little like button and don't forget to subscribe, all right? And I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's. 20 miles to